Welcome to the in front of me Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's just first see the currently wallpaper. So we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and now just to change it we should open the settings application and then tap here on the display section. Then touch here the wallpaper section, and we can select our wallpapers from our device photos or just default wallpapers here on our device. For example, let's use this one. Just click here on the left upper corner to set wallpaper and tap here to lock screen. Now just let's see. We can see that our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold one from your device home screens, that doesn't matter which one. Then just click here to wallpapers. By the same way, select just the folder from which you wanna just select the wallpaper, and let's use this one. Tap here to OK, lock screen again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.